Hello, my name's Jamie and welcome to my first ever course with Learning with Experts. Throughout the next 4 lessons, we're going to be looking at exactly how you can garden in a small space. Currently, around 37% of the British population live in rented accommodation. Normally, that means you live in a small apartment, like me, this one bed, small apartment in Hook, north facing, and you'd think, perhaps there's not a huge amount of gardening I can do. This course is designed to show you exactly how many amazing plants you can grow, even in a small space like this. Even if you have a balcony or a patio or a roof terrace, you can still garden. For me, plants are incredible. They can help save people's lives, change people's lives, inspire people, and we should all be doing a lot more to have more plants in our gardens and houses. Over the next 4 lessons, we'll be looking at the technical detail of exactly what to grow, where to grow it, how to grow it, some inspiring ideas, and then also looking at exactly what to do outside should you have a balcony. As long as you have a window, you can grow something.